importantly to me, I think, in the industry is the first certified ADS-B in receiver, and we see a remarkable difference between the technology challenges associated with a certified receiver versus a commercially available non-certified receiver.
Yes.
There's sometimes as much as 60 to 70% discount on what they can see in the airspace.
Wow, that's 60 as in 60?
60 as in, like, if ours is seeing 10 aircraft, another device next to it may only see 4.
Okay, that's frightening, actually.
And it's a safety concern.
Yes.
And truthfully, I think that